Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to add games to your list on Netflix on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First, go ahead and open Netflix application on your device. Well, after that, here you can select your profile. Okay, and then to find many games on Netflix, you can press games icon at the bottom. Okay, and then here will be shown many popular games recommended for you. And then to add it to your list, you can select one of them like this, and then you can click on my list here. Okay, and then the game is successfully added to your list. Well, that's the tutorial on how to add games to your list on Netflix on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.